Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools and stabilizing the screen. First, power down and unplug the monitor so there's no strain or accidental movement. Once done, support the display with one hand and use the correct Allen key to relieve tension at the arm's tilt/height adjustment. Make sure to keep the support hand firmly under the monitor while you back off screws slowly. This prevents sudden drops and lets you feel when the internal spring tension releases. You now detach the monitor from the VESA plate or quick-release bracket. If it's a 4-bolt VESA, unscrew each bolt in a diagonal pattern while still supporting the screen. For quick-release systems, depress the release tab and ease the display away. Once separated, inspect the arm for cable routing. Feed cables out gently and cut zip ties or peel clips off, making sure connectors remain labeled. Keep bolts and small parts in your container so reassembly later is straightforward. You finish by removing the arm from the desk. For clamp mounts, fully loosen the clamp bolt and slide the clamp off the desk edge while holding the arm steady to prevent twisting. For grommet mounts, support the arm and lift straight up through the hole after loosening the securing bolt. Once free, clean the mounting surface and inspect the arm's springs and fasteners for wear. If the arm won't release, recheck tension screws and ensure the quick-release latch is fully disengaged before applying extra force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.